Hey, good day everybody. We've got these WYWNA solar outdoor street lights. They're motion sensing LED lights for an unboxing and review. Here's everything that came in the box. These are good looking lights too. Panels are right on the back of them. I love these ones because you don't have to set up a whole nother solar panel. It comes with a remote for each one and a stand for each one. Recommend you let them charge up in the sun as much as possible. Leave them like that. And then place these things too in a location where they're going to get the maximum amount of sun as well. But these stands just pop right in there, and then 2 screws to whatever you're mounting it into. That simple. All right, let's go ahead and get these installed. Take this, put it in there, and put that screw right through there into that hole. Now same thing with the other side. Put the other screw right in here. Now for mounting these, comes with the mounting screws here. If you're gonna put it into drywall, that's what these are for. I'm gonna go into wood, so I'm just gonna use these 2 per light. The remotes take 2 AAAs, and here's the functions of this thing. So on, off at the top. This here, this middle button, that's motion sensor. And then as far as the lighting, 25%, 50, 75, or 100, depending on what you want. And then you can set it for time that you want it on. So you got 2, 3, 5, 6, or 8 hours that it'll stay on. All right, you can see it's in motion sensing mode. I'm holding real still as I get closer.